we're gonna try and get a walk-in site.
Yep, no reservations.
Lynn looked online and they're completely booked.
Yeah, I didn't show anything, so
Get a walk-in.
luckily in this area, campgrounds are aplenty.
Yeah, in Loudonville, there's no shortage of campsites, so we will get something somewhere.
Mm-hmm. We'll just see if it's here or not.
I had one. That one right there. It's the first site in the whole campground, but I'll take it.
Sounds good.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
This is a birthday miracle because we went up to the office there, the little booth, and they said they had that one available.
Right.
So I looped around, we parked here, and then when I walked over, they said, we just had a full hookup cancel. Would you like it?
Really?
Yes! So we got site 46.
Is that?
That's the corner one that we had before.
Oh my gosh, that is.
Isn't
We
that-
stayed there for our anniversary a couple years ago.
Yeah.
Now the site is messed up,
But
your site's behind it.
right,
but
you're behind it, but it's a good site.
we're aware of that now,
Yeah.
and we did say we would stay there again.
It see how this works out?
All in your favor.
I mean, we
For
had
your
no
special day, my
Yeah, my
dude.
special day. We had no reservation. They had one walk-in available. By the time I walked up there to check in, full hookup.
Canceled.
Yeah.
Probably because it's sprinkling. Let's hope. Let's go.
Jump out.
Yeah, let's check it out. Yeah, it said our campsite was like 50 some by 70. That's the road. That's the camper. But our picnic table is back here. And I believe that's our fire ring because theirs is way over there. So we'll just utilize this back here.
So when we get the dogs out?
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, this site we've had a couple years back. So this is kind of like deja vu. Ooh. Maybe right under the... Oh, so close.
Of course, it downpoured while I was outside getting set up, and now it's not raining. But, got a full hookup site,
Yeah.
and we're super hungry, so we made our go-to.
A frozen pizza?
Let's check out the pizza.
It's coming along.
Yep, I got a glimpse of it. I can't wait. I'm so excited.
And then hopefully I'll be baking a pie.
Ooh, a
But
pie?
I need... Yes.
A birthday pie?
A birthday pie.
I bet you're wishing you would have brought your mixer.
I am right now, yeah. I was like, oh, I can do it. It won't be too bad. I know it'll take a while. It sucks. But it's so close now.
She's making me a lemon meringue pie for my birthday.
Yeah. And it's very close to just finally being finished. How long have I been doing this?
For a long
For
time.
it feels like at least 30 minutes at a minimum. That's not like exaggerating.
Oh, it's been a while. You're doing a good job. Keep it up. Is it time?
It is time.
I can't wait.
Prepare yourself.
Ooh.
Ta-da!
That is amazing.
Happy birthday!
But I can't have it right now.
No, it's gotta cool. You'll burn your mouth off. You could, but it would not be smart. Which I don't think is very wise for any 38-year-old.
But I want it.
Alright, go for it. You're an adult. You do you, boy. So I wanted to give a special shout out to Vincent. Love them. These are all I use at home, and I actually didn't have any in the Airstream, so they found their place and they've been used several times throughout this week.
Yeah, they'll definitely get used a lot.
They're my favorite. They work the best. So thank you very much.
Piper.
Where are you going? Stop. You're all tangled up.
Now, Piper's gonna go for her first hike.
Her first trail walk.
She should enjoy it. Now, Guy's ready to go.
Guy will show her the ropes.
It was good. It was... I'm out of shape, let's put it that way.
I concur with him about him being out of shape. Anyways, I came back, fed the dogs, and there he is. Move your leg. He's just down for the count.
Yeah.
The boys are whooped. The girls, however, still rule the roost. There's Piper just being a watchdog in her favorite spot. She freaking loves it back there. Also, don't mind our Transformers blanket.
I love that blanket.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get rid of it soon enough.
I can't believe it. We took that long walk today, and Piper has not crashed. She's still just like full bore.
Well, she did lay down momentarily.
Momentarily.
Watch that.
Don't melt it. You're gonna melt.
She's like, oh my. Meanwhile, this is Guy.
Yeah, he's been like this since.
He's still pretty chill.
He hasn't recovered yet.
Not yet, but once we tempt him with a night walk.
That'll do it. That'll probably do it for both of them.
Oh yeah.
We love taking night walks. We wait till it's like 10 o'clock and then walk around a mile or two.
Yeah, perfect. So, pretty much gonna be our evening. We're just hanging out by this awesome fire.
And you can see we're on the wrong side of the Airstream.
Yeah. Generally, you don't get to see this side of it. Looks pretty good with all them windows.
But the way that this site is set up, this is our fire ring.
Yeah. And we knew that going in, but a lot of people might not.
It's weird. It's a weird setup.
Yeah,
because
this is one of the few.
If you look around the door side of the trailer, there's hardly any grass there.
Right.
Because it kind of, your site wraps around.
Mm-hmm. But it works out pretty good.
I like this site.
Yeah.
This is what, number 46?
46.
Site number 46 at Mohican State Park in Loudonville, Ohio. We like it, and it's weird.
Yeah. Well, this is our second time here, which that in itself is weird. When have we ever seen the same site twice?
Doesn't happen very often.
No.
And she's trying to play with Guy.
That or the poker stick. She loves the poker sticks.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's zoom in on that. Yes, that's knurled via Piper. Oh, girl.
All right, let's call it a day.
Guy's ready. Look at those eyes. Sleepy guy. This photo or video actually looks very familiar to our Facebook cover photo for a good reason. We took this, took a picture very similar to that 2 years ago when we stayed here.
We are out of here.
Done. Another one in the books.
It's been almost a week since we've been home, and unfortunately, this is
It's inevitable.
last day.
Dogs are in the truck. I don't know if they're excited or not, but I think they're always excited to go somewhere.
Well, I could say that Piper officially loves hiking.
Oh, she, not only that, but like the night walks. All of our night walks turned into night runs. She was so excited, and I was just like, you know what, I'm just going to run the energy out of her. And yesterday, she crashed hard. It was pretty cute.
Yeah. And this is one of our favorite parks, or at least my favorite park. We've been here multiple times before, so I don't think we really need to talk about it, but there's really not a bad sight here.
It's a very popular park, but as you can see, you don't need reservations to get in.
That was a close one.
You just need good timing, apparently.
That was a very close one.
It was very close, but luckily in this area, if you're not, like, you don't have to stay here, there's a plethora of other campgrounds to try to get a site at.
Oh, there's hundreds and hundreds of campsites in this area.
Mm-hmm.
There's no need to reserve unless you want a specific site at a specific campground on a specific date.
And that is etched in stone, cannot be changed, but we're way more fluid than that. So
Yeah,
it doesn't really matter.
We would have got a campsite here regardless because there's so many campgrounds down Wally Road.
Yeah. So, I guess we're just gonna head on home and
Back to reality.
back to reality.